Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in the video that's coming up next is a video on some GoPro accessories. So I've got 3 accessories that will make your GoPro the ultimate vlogging camera, and I'll go through each accessory in detail. So let's waste no more time, let's get into the video. Okay, welcome back then. So, gonna go through some GoPro accessories that'll make your GoPro into a vlogging camera. So, this is the GoPro 9. So this is my GoPro 9. This will work with the 9, 10, 11 or 12. So everybody knows what a GoPro looks like. So this is what a GoPro looks like. Very compact camera. Really good quality action camera. So the first accessory I'm going to get out is a cage to go round the GoPro to protect it. This is the cage. It's a Ulanzi cage for the GoPro. So this is it here. So this is a really good cage. It's the G9 5. You can get it in plastic as well, but I went for the metal casing because it's really good quality metal, and it's made by Ulanzi, which are a good company for camera gear, etc. This is where it goes in, so obviously that comes off just like that, and I'll show you how to put the GoPro in. And then obviously this bit here at the bottom, this just screws on. This is just to house another accessory that I'm going to talk about in a minute. So this is the case here. So like I said, you've got the door slot here. So on the GoPro, you've got a door, so that slides out. So this replaces the door on the actual GoPro. So that's it there. So we're going to get the GoPro now, the Hero 9. So on this here, so we just take that side door off, actual side door. So this is one where, this is a door that I bought. So there, you can still charge the actual GoPro. This just comes off, pulls down there, and you just take that off. So that just comes off like that. So that's the battery. And then you've got the USB-C charging. To get this in the case now, you get the GoPro here, and then that slides in there. It does fit very snug, so you just give that a push, and that goes in there like that. Then you get this back plate that slides down over the top, and then that clicks in like that. So you've still got access to the screen, sorry about the fingerprints. And then you've still got access to the power button and the record button at the top. And then this is where that side door comes in now for the metal case, so that just slides on. Let's get that in, so slide that in. Yeah. That just slides in, and there you've still got access to the USB, so you can still charge it with the USB-C cable. So that's it, all snug in there, in this brilliant protective cage for the GoPro. So as you can see, it's all protected. Still got access to your ports and everything like that. So this did come with the cage. So this is like a hot shoe. So that just slides on there. That clicks in, and then you've got so you could put a mic on there or a light, and then you've got another hot shoe on here as well. So, you know, that's coming together as a nice vlogging camera, so you could put a mic on there on top as well. So this bit here, so what I have had as well, so this is the, let me just put that to one side. So I've done a review on this. This is the GoPro mic adapter. So you get this from GoPro. So this is another accessory to make your GoPro into a good vlogging camera. So how this works is, so that will go through here, down the bottom, and then that will sit there like that. So that houses the mic there. And then what you'll do, you'll plug this into the side. So, and then you will get your mic and plug that into there, and it's got a USB as well, socket there. So you plug your external mic into there, so you've got a better audio coming from the actual GoPro. So the other accessory is from Ulanzi. So this is a tripod. So this is a really good tripod from Ulanzi. So this is it folded up. This does extend as well. So it extends out, and it can extend very high as well, to about 5 foot. And then you can open this here and then open the legs. Let me just open the legs for you. So it's got these feet here at the bottom. So that's how it opens up. And then you've got the tripod that can stand up like that. So that's it there. So that stands up like that. And then to put it all together, that will just screw in to here. So that will just screw in to the bottom. And then, oops, let me just tighten that up. And then you've got a vlogging camera setup. So you can go out and do some vlogging. So that's all connected there, and you're going to get better audio with the GoPro mic adapter. So they're really good products. I will leave the links below of where you can get these accessories for your GoPro. So I just think, you know, it's a really good cage, and then you've got that 2 additional hot shoes on there where you can put a mic or a light and vlogging, and it really protects the case as well on the GoPro. So that's a video on some accessories that I have purchased regarding making your GoPro into like a very good vlogging camera. So I hope you liked the video. If you could like and subscribe in the bottom, and check out my next videos, because I have got some good videos coming up on tech. So thanks for watching on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. See you soon.